Circles. Arrange the following measures of circle in order from shortest to longest: diameter, radius, and circumference. Determine approximate length of each for the given circle. So here we are given a circle and you need to find approximate length of each, right? But before that, arrange diameter, radius, and circumference in order from shortest to longest. Correct? So the shortest in diameter, radius, and circumference should be radius. Radius is half the diameter, right? So it could be written as radius and then diameter, which is twice the radius. So this is radius. So radius is this, correct? Radius, and diameter is twice the radius. That's the diameter, correct? From here to here. And then we have diameter. And of course circumference. Circumference is all along the periphery of the circle, right? The perimeter of the circle, the outer boundary of the circle. The length of that boundary or the perimeter of the circle is circumference, right? So that is the order in which they are from shortest to longest. Now second part of the question here is to determine approximate length of each for the given circle, right? So now you need to find approximately how long is the radius, how long is the diameter, and what is the length of this circumference, right? Now if you see the graph, then the center of the circle is at origin, which is 0, right? And the radius is from 0 to this point, and this point is 5 units away, correct? And therefore we can write radius is 5 units, right? So all the distance from the center to the circumference is 5 units, right? Now we have not given any units on the scale, and therefore it's better to write just the number 5 and in general units, right? You could write units. So it could be any units. So these units of squares, okay? Now diameter is always twice the radius. So if radius is 5, diameter is times 2, 10. And from the graph you can see diameter is from -5 to +5. Distance between -5 and +5 is 5 on this side and 5 on the other side, gives us diameter of 10 units, right? And now let's try to calculate circumference. Circumference is how much? Well, if you know the formula, circumference is 2 pi r, or it is also equals to pi times diameter, right? Now pi is equals to 3.14, right? Now diameter is 10 units, and therefore we can say 3.14 times 10 will give us 31.4 units, right? Diameter is also length, and therefore we'll have same units as the units of radius and diameter. Circumference is also length, right? Length along the periphery of the circle, correct? So their units are length units. Okay, so that is how we can always calculate circumference from diameter or radius. 2 pi r is the relation between circumference and radius. Pi d, pi times diameter, is the relation between circumference and diameter, right? If you find ratio of circumference and diameter, how much will it be? 3.14. It is always constant. Okay, thank you.